This video is sponsored by Value Testers. Hot preseason promo deals on Bacharach, Testo, combustion analyzers. Check out Value Testers for a full preview of specials, deals, and promos. Best tool company on the web, no one compares. Description and link below.
Morning, guys. It is November 5th, 2018. This one here, I got no heat coil. You can tell it's fall, all the leaves are turning. No heat coil, it's a gas boiler. She says the pilot's out. So, going over there now. She says she's freezing. See if I can get her some heat. Monday morning here. Try to get you some shots when I get there. It looks like pilot's out. I was here last year, put a new thermocouple and relit it. We'll put another thermocouple in there. Older system. Usually when the pilot's out, I'll just replace the thermocouple. They're cheap enough, not a big deal. We'll turn this to pilot, push it down, and we'll. That's a pretty good flame. I could probably turn it up a little bit if I wanted. Right there, I'm taking out that set screw, and there's a little adjustment for the pilot. We'll give it a little bit more gundy there. Give it just a little bit more. Give it a little bit more chooch. It should be better. It's getting a little red, a little bit red. I don't know if you can see it or not, but alright, I'll turn this to on. Turn it to pilot and we'll turn it on again. left-hand cycle switch. Not all full of soot, that's good. Alright, new thermal coupler. We'll check the CO at the registers, make sure that there's no CO in the coming into the house. Let's make sure that there's no CO coming into the house here. That's good. Alright, that's about 7 right there.